Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to open the July kit from Studio Calico. That is the documentary kit. I cannot believe that it's already June. I did got the extra kit for this month, and I just love these simple shapes, and I liked the sentiments too, so I thought it would be perfect for Project Life. And I love this Don't Overthink It. I love the packaging too. I was thinking if I don't destroy it and I just open it this way, maybe you can make like a little pocket. Should I try that? I'm afraid that I'm going to destroy whatever is inside, but I think everything is okay. Maybe later I can fix it with my guillotine. Oh, and inside it has horsies. That is the cutest thing. And the tag says, "This is my happy place." Oh, this is too cute. Okay, so we have the envelope, and we have these really cute stamp die cuts. They're so cute. I do remember a few elements from their sneak peeks, and I love that they all have different sizes and elements. I'm obsessed with this. If this can become like a regular thing, I would love that. Mushrooms, a rooster, a horse. This looks like a sort of like a god on a horse. So, up here we have a cat and a tiger and another mushroom. These are really cute. Okay, then we have numbers. Finally, you know how I keep complaining about numbers. And I love the colors. They're plastic, they're not. I thought they were gonna be vellum, but they're acetate. They're really cute. So let me see how many we get of each number. I think we just get one of each, which I don't mind. It's still a pretty good number. We get an exclamation point and an ampersand. They're really cute. I love that, and you can use these ones in December Daily. The colors is pretty December Daily friendly. This was a little confusing. It was like a matchbox sort of thing. We had it has like a little note here, and it's stapled. Maybe this is good for like a mini book if you want to write a little journaling every time something happens, or for a traveler's notebook. That would be really cute too. We have the chipboard stickers. They are so cute. They've had stuff like this before, but it's still, this is all very timeless. It's really cute. I love the colors. I love the mix of circles with little phrase stickers and labels. We have these, which I'm guessing go perfectly on these cards, and I love it. I absolutely love it, especially for really cute patterns. Like if we had something like this, we can add it on top, and we have 4 of those stickers. I wish we had more, but still a really good one. These alphas are adorable. I am obsessed with the color. It's really pretty. I think it's their pink lemonade color from the Color Theory. And I love that Don't Overthink It, because I always do. That's my favorite sport, overthinking. Okay, so we have Don't Overthink It and a card to add journaling, or maybe a little photo, and then you can add some journaling. Ooh, love this. Like what I was saying, this would be a good idea for that. Love is here. Remember, make today a good day. Oh, I love this too. Really cute. Oh, I absolutely love this. Sometimes I have 2 weeks in a spread, so I can put week 12 and week 13 here and stamp the dates. This would be perfect for that. Summer, all sunshine, good feelings. This is great for the 6x8 mini books. Soak in all the goodness this summer, and then you have a little checklist, and you can put favorite summer memory. We have some mountains here. This is very old Studio Calico. Back in the day, they used to do a lot of photos. Love this background here. We have that same background. Block colors. I love this and that. Oh, the horsies. And I'm not a horse person, but it is so cute. And they're simple, and I love this color scheme. The brown, black, pink, and taupe is perfect. Oh, I love these little flowers. Now this screams summer. Oh, this is really cute too. I love this, and I wouldn't mind cutting this and turning this into a 4x6 title card. Then you have these, also very summery, go your own way, and summer highlights. Oh, happy day. I love this. This is so cute. Just be happy. Oh, happy day. Polaroid camera or an instant camera. Flowers. Love this. I love this again. I love anything blocky, geometric. It's really cute. This looks like an old card from Dear Lizzie Project Life kit. Happy Mind, Happy Life. And it had letters similar to those, and I'm not complaining because I love that kit. I still have it. This is Our Place. I don't care if they have rounded corners. I love those. Can't please them all. That's very true. Genuine and authentic. Some cowboy boots, florals, nature log. I love this 6. Really cute. You can use it for a week, for someone turning 6, for the month of June. Everything will be okay. And now these are even cuter. I like these a little bit more than I like maybe the dog. It's a little too harsh. The Brewster, what's up with that? But this show very cute. Daily adventures. Oh, and then we have this big one. We have making progress in the little flower. This is Our Place. Oh, we got the roller skates. The coolest thing since ever. Totally amazing for real. Take my word for it. It would have been cool if they had washi tape. I was just thinking about washi tape, and it had these little phrases. That would be adorable. Or this, like a whole line of these little suns. That would be cute too. We have horseshoes, more horses. Today, this is a pretty pattern. This made me smile. Today's the day. I love this too. Like if this was a washi, that would have been adorable. I'm down for a rainbow. And I always love these cut apart elements. They're really cute, about nature, escape the ordinary, taking it day by day. There's so much to discover in the background, and this is really cute. Some of the best memories are made in flip-flops. Embrace adventure, summer, and explore galore. Cool, cooler, coolest. Summer magic. And then this is really pretty. This would be, if you do 6x8 and you do a monthly marker, this would be so perfect for that. Now, I loved this kit. It's kind of like a little bit different with the numbers, the stamps, and this matchbook. But it's still really pretty. I think my favorite part is the paper. I love every single item, so it's not one of my absolute favorite kits, but it's like a top 3, 4. It's really pretty. I love it. Let me know what was your favorite part. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!